Hey guys, it's Asia. So in today's video, I'm going to be making some festival inspired shorts. So the first thing I did was grab a pair of old jeans and a straight edge and a fabric pencil, drew a line on both sides, and then cut the excess fabric off. By the way, if anybody has any recommendations on another fabric pencil, let me know because the one that I'm using is literally trash. Once I did that, I grabbed my scissors again and I started to cut holes in my jeans. Personally, I like to cut more towards the side of my thigh because I think it just looks more flattering, but of course you guys can cut wherever you want. And then to create that distressed look, I grabbed some tweezers and I just started pulling at the fabric just to make the thread come loose. And then I spent a good amount of time doing this, so just keep pulling at the fabric until you get the desired distressed look that you want. The next thing that I did was flip my shorts inside out, and I took some fishnet scraps and I placed them over the hole, and then I went ahead and cut off the excess material. If you guys didn't know, you can find fishnets anywhere. You could probably go to CVS and find some in the stocking aisle. Then I went ahead and pinned the fishnet onto the jeans, and I sewed just around the perimeter of the hole that I cut out. Alright, so once I sewed everything on, I flipped the jeans right side out, and I decided that I wanted to add another hole to my jeans in the inner thigh. So I went ahead and did that, and I just repeated the same exact process as before. So I don't know if you guys can tell, but there's a lot of excess thread from me sewing on the fishnet. So I went ahead and just trimmed all of that off, and I went back in and distressed a little bit more until it was just how I wanted it. Alright guys, and this is the finished look. I'm so happy with how these turned out. I think they look amazing, and I would 1000% wear these to Coachella. I think these are perfect festival shorts, or just perfect to wear in the summertime to kind of give your old basic blue jeans some extra spice to it. So let me know down in the comments if you guys would wear something like this, or if you guys recreate this, let me know and tag me in your video so that I can watch it. And if you guys want to see any more DIY videos, let me know, and I will see you guys in the next video.